In this video of the Getting Started with Clooz series, we'll cover the new search toolbar. The search toolbar appears several places in Clooz. It appears at the top of the main grid. If I start a new document, you'll also find it above the grid used to select people to link to documents. But I'll just demonstrate the toolbar with the main grid since they both operate the same way. The first button on the toolbar is for selecting which column you want to search. The list will vary depending on the type of data displayed in the main grid. When the list of people is displayed, there are two additional entries in the list supporting searches of full names, using either the person's surname or what we call other surnames. In Clooz 3, alternate spellings of surnames and married surnames are automatically collected and listed in the other surnames column for your convenience in identifying people on the list. I'll leave it set for surname, given name for now. Here is an important point though. The search will be for the first occurrence of a match in the grid list. So it's important that we have this grid sorted in a compatible way. So I'm going to change the sort order by clicking on surname and then shift-click on given name. The next button controls the search criteria. There are three options here: starts with, contains, or equals. When searching, you don't need to enter the entire name or other text to find something. You just have to enter enough to create a match. So if I'm looking for Thomas, I might be able to find it by just entering TH. Note the case of letters is not sensitive in these searches. With starts with, as the name implies, we would be looking for a surname beginning with TH. With contains, it would be the first surname where the letters TH appear anywhere in the name. And with equals, only names matching TH exactly. Obviously, with equals, you would need to enter the full spelling of the names. Just to be on the safe side, we'll go with THO. With the full name searches, we also need the given name, so a comma is required, followed by the given name. I'll look for Richard and just enter an R here. Now here's another important shortcut to know. If you leave off the comma and given name, the search will automatically be done for the first field alone, in this case surname. So when searching, there really is little reason to have to select the single fields of surname or other surname. Always use the full name form. So let's go ahead with this search. I will click on the Find button to perform the search. You should also know that when you type in a search value, pressing the Enter key will also perform the search, the same as if you had clicked the Find button. Okay, the grid has located the person I was looking for and highlighted him. Back up in the search toolbar, you may have noticed another button beside the Find button. The Filter button is not really a search, but will use the same criteria and text value to only display lines that meet the same criteria. So if we click on the Filter button with the same criteria, TH, R, the list will be reduced to the set of names we are interested in. To remove the filter, click on the Clear button. There are even more powerful features available for both the Find and Filter functions. By clicking in the box with the small downward arrow, a menu drops down. The simple option here is what we have been seeing up to now. the same as clicking on the main part of the Find or Filter buttons. The Advanced option brings up a dialog form which allows you to enter more complex criteria combinations. To demonstrate, let's say I want to see a list of all people who were born in 1852 and died in 1910. I want to keep the Contains criteria because the year could be anywhere in the date text field. Now I can click the filter button and we see there's only one person. Now suppose I want to see a list of the people born in 1852 or who died in 1910. That means only one of the criteria needs to be met to select the row. So I change the setting up here to reflect that. Now the list contains more people, all meeting at least one of my requirements. The Advanced function for the Find button works the same way, except it just highlights the first occurrence of a matching row. Well, that was our detailed look at the search bar. I'm sure you will find it useful. Be sure to view the other videos that explore the various features of Clooz. Thanks for watching.